What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name's Angelica Fitzgerald and today we're going to be talking about a limited edition Christophe Robin product. Oh my god, I'm so excited. If you have watched any of my other Christophe Robin videos, you know I am a fan of this hair care brand. They are just so good. Plain and simple, so good. All of their stuff works so well. I've tested and tried like 4 of their products now and I have luck with all of them. I currently still use one like faithfully every single month, and it is their sea salt scrub. I use it once a month, scrub it in my hair. It gets rid of dead skin cells, it gets rid of oils, it gets rid of just any gunk and buildup that kind of gets added on your scalp, especially if you use a lot of hair care products like texturizing spray, hairsprays, all the stuff to style your hair. It just builds up over a while, and even when you shower and clean your hair, to have something that kind of resembles like a sugar scrub on your body, you know, for like an extreme body exfoliation for your hair is really good to do every month or so. I mean, you can even do it more if you'd like. I just do it once a month. But anyways, Christophe Robin just released a limited edition sea salt scalp scrub that is like, I hope it's not limited edition for too long. I hope it just becomes part of the everyday line that's like always available, because I will be very sad if they like take it away someday. I'm gonna have to stock up soon because it's really, really good, and it is meant for a specific type of scalp. Believe it or not, we all have different types of scalps. So if you are ready to learn about Christophe Robin's limited edition sea salt scalp scrub, that was a tongue twister, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. Now let's get started. Okay, so first thing I want to share with y'all is that Christophe Robin did send this to me in PR, which I don't know how I keep getting added to these PR lists, guys. Like, I am living my best life on these PR lists, not even gonna lie. You know, one of my favorite things about receiving things in PR is it's from brands that I was already a customer of. Like, I had bought stuff from them prior and shared my reviews organically, and I think that's how they found me. They just were like, oh, this girl likes our product, let's send her some more stuff. And so I am always sharing things that I've already personally bought myself, that I am genuinely 100% a true fan of, and then I get this stuff for free. So that's like, in a perfect world, that's what I would want. So that is how I got this product. Christophe Robin saw my sea salt scalp scrub review and asked if I wanted to try their limited edition one, and I was like, heck yes. So they sent it to me about a month and a half ago. I have used it twice. I have loved it so much, actually a hair more than the original sea salt scrub, which is why I'm very fearful with this whole limited edition phrasing, because I don't want it to go away. But I wanted to show y'all little PR box it came in, super cute. The box also came with cookies in it, which I already ate because they sent them a month ago. They'd be bad now if I didn't. And then, actually, I don't even know why I brought this box out. It's already empty because I've used everything inside of it. They sent a little shirt, which is this, for the limited edition collection. So to talk about what it is the sea salt scrub that we all know and love, inspired by La Bretagne, which is a region in the French country in France. If I am totally incorrect, let me know. I'm not really with my France geography, but I'm almost 1000% sure that is what it is. And so this sea salt scrub in particular has a French inspiration. It's supposed to make you feel like you are in La Bretagne in France, on the beach, on the coast, just giving you all the coastal French vibes. And it does have a little shell on the front. See what they did there? So the smell of it is like amazing. Oh, I wish it was a candle. Christophe Robin, take note. Y'all need to start creating candle scents because the scents of the hair products are amazing. So obviously you can tell I love the product. I've already said it before. Big fan of Christophe Robin. Their regular sea salt scalp is fantastic. This one, the limited edition one, is fantastic as well. Now, one of the main differences between this one and the original one is this one is specifically meant for sensitive and oily scalps. Now, if you've ever watched any one of my hair care videos, at some point I mention, like, I have oily skin. like on my face, meaning it also goes into the hair. So I'm always needing to have the best dry shampoos on hand, because by day 2, my head is like shiny, it's gold, and it's glistening in a way that we don't want. And so using products that are specifically for people with oily scalps or skin in general is always a product I gravitate towards more. The original sea salt scrub is fantastic as well. It's just more for all types of hair. This one is specifically meant for the oily scalp gals. So if you have oily hair, I would run and get your hands on this because it works so well. Like I said, I like it a little bit more than the original one just because it's a little bit more of a focused product. Also, it is meant for people that have dyed hair. Now, y'all know my hair is not dyed. This is virgin hair, actually. I've never dyed it in my life. This is its natural color. But typically, if you've gotten your hair dyed before, there can be like chemical buildup on your scalp, and it's not even something you would see. It's just something that builds up over time. Now, if you have like a good hairstylist, like a lot of the times they'll make sure that doesn't happen. But finding a product that allows you to exfoliate your scalp with colored hair is really hard. So this is unfortunately like the one area I can't vouch for myself, because like I said, I don't have dyed hair, but this also has a focus on people that have dyed hair that are looking for a way to exfoliate their scalp and not strip the color or damage the color in any manner, way, or form. So it's a little bit more gentle than the OG scalp scrub, which actually I'm gonna go get the original sea salt scrub just so y'all can see the two, see the difference in packaging. They're really similar in packaging, so it's almost kind of hard to tell. But one moment, please. All right, guys, we're back. I had to wait like 20 minutes because I didn't realize our lawnmower was coming today, and very thankful for our yard looking nice because of him. I just had no clue he was coming, and I swear it's always when I hit that record button that either construction workers are here, or our lawnmower is here, or someone's here to work on the house. It's going to be making noise. It's just how it always goes for me. Anyways, we're back to talking about these sea salt scalp scrubs. I don't even remember where I left off. Okay, so I have them both. I did want to show y'all the difference in packaging, which is literally nothing other than the shell and like the font and stuff, but like they are identical. They even both have blue labels, which makes it nice and confusing. So if you're totally new with Christophe Robin's sea salt scrubs and you are super unfamiliar with even the original one, first off, I'll attach my video talking all about the original sea salt scrub somewhere up here or in the description box if you want to learn more about that. But I just wanted to read the stuff on the back because they always have really good information on the back. Just so you can get like a more general idea of what this is meant for. So it says this deep cleansing shampoo scrub is perfect as a detox or post coloring treatment to invigorate hair and sensitive or oily scalps so they feel immediately rebalanced and purified. I feel like that in summary, this entire video is that sentence. Its exfoliating action removes daily buildup, helping to calm the sensitive and itchy scalps while tackling oily roots and leaving hair looking beautifully shiny. Very, very, very shiny, I would agree with. Sea salt crystals gently exfoliate while a skin identical natural carbohydrate complex rebalances the scalp's natural defenses by reducing the effects of dehydration. The directions say to once a week apply a tablespoon size onto wet hair or after rinsing color. Delicately massage the whole scalp, including the nape? Well, I don't know what this word is. I'm gonna write it down here. N-A-P-E, never heard of that word. The nape of the neck, and emulsify. Rinse thoroughly and follow the detangling gel to detangle, which I don't know the detangling gel. If you have another detangling gel, you're fine. This doesn't need that to work properly, but basically that's what this product does. It's fantastic and it makes you feel like you're in France, on the beach in France. So anyways, long story short of these products, they're both fantastic. I am obsessed and I'm gonna continue to get the limited edition one for as long as they have it available, just because I love the scent. I love the way it cleans my scalp. I feel like this one does a better job for my hair. This one is the limited edition one. I feel like it just does a better job at exfoliating. All right, I'm almost 100% sure he left, so there should be no more disturbances. I'm so lost in this video. Now I feel very scatterbrained. Okay, so basically long story short, they're both awesome. Which do I like better? The limited edition one. I just like the way it feels on my scalp, smells amazing. It might all be in my head that this one's better. I'm pretty sure the formulation is like almost identical. The scent is just a hair different, and it is more meant for oily and color treated hair, even though the original one is also meant for that as well. This just seems to have more of a focus on it, which personally for my hair type I like. If you don't have oily hair at all, you know, I would probably recommend the original one, even though this does work really, really well and it does help oily scalps. I think it's a little bit less than this one. So that's just something that I've noticed, I've made an observation of since using it. Also, one other thing I just wanted to share is that today I did not style my hair. Believe it or not, my hair is naturally jet straight. I mean, y'all have seen it if you've ever watched one of my hair tutorials. It's naturally very, very straight. All I did today was just straighten like my little front bangs because those tend to get curly, but the rest of my head is just like straight, straight, straight. And I use this today in the shower. So I just wanted to show y'all like right after doing nothing with my hair other than straightening my bangs, how shiny it looks and how just like healthy it looks. I have no product on it either. I might just kind of leave today, be like a fresh hair, no product, no styling kind of day. But I did want y'all to see what it looks like. I just think it looks very healthy, very shiny. That's like one of the things that the Christophe Robin scrubs do, is they just totally bring like the shiniest part of your hair to the surface of your hair. And I notice it every time I use my product once a month. You technically can use it once a week. It's up to you. Like, nobody knows your hair better than you. So I would try it out a couple different ways, close together, far apart, whatever works for you is what you should do. I think once a month is perfect because you're not overdoing it. Then also, like, the product lasts a little longer. That's just like a personal bonus for me. But that's what works best for me. And I really just love the way it makes my hair look after I've used it. I would recommend it to anybody, either the original or the limited edition one. I love the limited edition one, y'all. I cannot stress it enough, especially if you have oily hair or colored hair. Like, I would go with this one. It's just amazing. That's just plain and simple. So this video was really short because all I had to highlight in today's video was this product. I will link it down below if you're interested in checking it out. I'll also link the original one, which is like fantastic as well. I mean, you can't go wrong with either one of these or any of the Christophe Robin products. They're all super natural. They're all price pointed pretty well, and they just, most importantly, work really well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful if you were on the fence of what sea salt scrub to get, or if you were interested in something to exfoliate your scalp. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. I'll get right back to you. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye!